Hey guys, what's up? So I am right now doing my vision board for this year onwards. So basically what happened a few weeks ago was that I started to get a little bit lost on a lot of things in my life. I felt like I was spiraling back into a loophole where I don't really know what I'm supposed to be doing, what am I actually meant to be doing, and just feeling really doubtful about myself. So I've came up with 3 methods, and vision board is one of the methods. So what did I do? I went to the store and I bought a really big piece of cardboard, and I will show you the cardboard. And I also bought a magazine, just a random magazine that I thought would have been suitable to make into a vision board. I saw from this YouTube video, and I'll put the link in the description, that basically I really like her method of making a vision board. She basically uses words and images from magazines which she got from the library, and she just put them all over the cardboard piece of paper. I also got this packet of markers because I thought like also I could draw out my vision and dreams, because your dreams aren't only limited to your real images. You can also draw them out as well and also print them out. I also got some tape and scissors so that I can stick the images on. Basically what I did here was I put everything in their respective corners. So for example, the top left these are the main platforms I want to be on, and the main goals. This area is the more detailed things supporting the main goals. Down here is more daily life stuff and like other smaller like dreams that I want to achieve. This one is like that I want to like write my own stories or podcasts, and it's a bit more to the future. And this is my I guess like dream partner, I guess. I don't know, he hasn't arrived yet, so I'm not sure. And this is a special section. This is my mom, because I want to help her make a online dance Instagram page, and yeah, I want to help her grow. And also here as well, there's one for my cats. You can see over here.